So guys, another day, another video, another parking, another content of makabuluhang video na naman to. So, nasa ospital po tayo. Ayan guys, at may hinihintay tayo. Wala naman dito na ospital, no? So, everything is alright. So, Mandy Paddy, come here.
What?
Our challenge for today is we are going to say something that is until we get it to the loudest part of the voice.
My melody, my melody,
like
my
this.
melody.
1, 2, level 1, level 2, If I say something like this, and then you will say, you will, one of us will make the other louder. Okay? So medyo mahirap po intindihin. So dahil dumudugo na ilong natin kaka-English, no? So palakas po ng palakas ang mga sasabihin natin. So kung nandyan po kayo sa bahay, pwede nyo pong gawin ito. At tingnan natin ngayon kung sino ang mananalo. Sino ba ang mas malakas na boses? Boses ba ng magulang o boses ng mahal nating mga anak? So para malaman natin yan, simulan natin muna sa akin, Mandy. I will start. Your turn. Not so really loud. I think I'm louder. Should be louder than that. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on, it's gotta be louder than that. Loud and strong. Oh my god, there's no police yet, right? There's no police yet, so next.
My god, the world's gonna crash.
Your turn. Okay, I think that's the last. We're gonna break. So I think you win. So right now we are going is to descend. Okay?
What's the sound?
From up to down, just like that. From higher voice to lower voice. No, it should be lower and lower until we get to the low. Gradually only. So did you hear that? Did you hear?
Yeah.
No! There was no voice! I won! You didn't hear! You didn't hear there was no voice.
No, I did.
No, I won!
No, you.
I won!